Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. To get started, we're gonna hold the power button and ignore any kind of pop-ups like this one. From there, select power off twice and wait for the device to turn off, which will be indicated by the vibration. Once you feel that, hold power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the Infinix logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up till you see the XOS page, like this one. And then again, we're gonna hold power button, and while holding it, you're gonna press volume up once, let go of the power. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. So now using volume buttons, you wanna select either reboot to bootloader or enter Fastboot. And both of these options are Fastboot modes, just both are a little bit different. This one is just taking us to a Fastboot mode with no options, and to leave that mode you would hold power button and volume down to basically forcibly reboot the device, while the second option, enter Fastboot mode, takes us to a very similar looking menu with options, and you can navigate using your volume buttons, which I don't think I mentioned. So you, in the previous menu, you do the same, navigate using volume buttons and confirm options using your power button, and you do the same thing here. So this is the Fastboot mode with options, but if we scroll down to the bootloader, confirm that, you will see that this is also Fastboot mode, but without any options. So there we go. And like I mentioned, to leave this one, you'd just hold power button, volume down, and the device turns off, then boots back up, and this will take us automatically back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.